Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create 1D barcodes in Microsoft Word using mail merge. 1D barcodes includes Code 39, Code 128, Code 93, Codebar, MSI Plessy, UPC-A, UPC-E, EAN8, EAN13, PostNet, FIM, and interleaved 2 of 5 barcodes. So if you have any of these Ziktech barcode font solutions installed, then you can use them in Microsoft Word by the following steps that we will discuss in this tutorial. Before starting this, make sure the Ziktech customized barcode solution that you downloaded is installed on your system. Also, we need to download Ziktech 1D barcodes VBA.bas from the Ziktech website. Before creating mail merge in Microsoft Word, we have to first create an Excel document that contains barcode encoded strings. So open a new document in Excel, and now we have to import Ziktech 1D barcodes VBA.bas into Excel. From the Developer tab of the Excel main menu, select Visual Basic. If the Developer tab is not visible on your main menu, then you can add it by going to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and add Developer tab. Also, you can open up Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt and F11. In Visual Basic Editor, go to File, and then Import File. From here, import the Ziktech 1D barcodes VBA file that we have downloaded. This Ziktech 1D barcodes VBA contains all methods that you can call up from Excel to create 1D barcodes. Now we have to connect this with your installed Ziktech font solution. Now go to the Tools tab and then References. And from this list, scroll down to Zik 1D Barcodes Font Encoder Type Library, check it, and press OK. Now we are ready to create barcode in Excel using the installed Ziktech barcode solution. Ziktech 1D Barcodes VBA has a list of methods for creating different types of 1D barcodes. The names of these methods clearly show which barcodes they refer to. In this example, we will be making Code 128 barcodes, but the process would be the same for all other barcodes. So whatever 1D barcode font solution you have installed, you have to call its method. Now in cell A1, we enter data. It is column heading of column A. Similarly, in B1, we enter Code 128 barcode as the column B heading. Now in cells A2, A3, A4, we enter some data that we want to encode in Code 128 barcode. In cells B2, B3, and B4, we will call Code 128 and pass respective cell names that contain its data. This creates encoded strings in B2, B3, and B4 that when displayed using Ziktech Code 128 font will create a valid Code 128 barcode. Now if you have any other 1D barcode font solution installed, for example EAN8, then in B2, B3, and B4 we have to call up EAN8. Also in that case, make sure A1, A2, and A3 contains valid data for EAN8. The Excel sheet for mail merge is ready. Save it on your desktop as an XLSM file, that's an Excel macro-enabled workbook. Now go back to MS Word and open the Excel sheet we have just created for mail merge. In order to do so, from the Mailings tab, click on Select Recipients, and then select Use Existing List. From here, go to the desktop and open the Excel sheet we have just created. Now we insert both columns, Input Data and Code 128 Barcode, by clicking on Insert Merge field and then selecting both columns one by one. Code 128 barcode strings should be displayed in Ziktech Code 128 Barcode to show a valid barcode. So select the Code 128 Barcode field in the document and right-click on it, and from the Font drop-down list, we will select Ziktech Code 128 font. Also, change the font size to the size that will show barcode of your desired size. This font size is mentioned in the font name. That's it. Just press Preview Results and then we can see the Code 128 barcodes. And this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Feel free to check out more video tutorials on the Ziktech website in the How To section. Also, if you have any specific questions or issues related to your Ziktech custom barcode fonts, then feel free to contact us. Thank you.